Let's bake Walker's shortbread cookie. Ingredients are on the list. Hello there bakers! For today's video, we're going to make another new recipe, and this is a Walker's shortbread cookie. So we need all-purpose flour, milk, powdered milk, vanilla extract, butter, powdered sugar, and that's it. Another easy recipe and another must-try recipe na talaga namang magugustuhan ninyo. So first, we need a 1 cup of softened salted butter. So, i-mix lang muna natin siya. So, kailangan soft na yung butter natin bago natin ihalo yung ating next ingredients. So, ayan, hinalo lang muna natin para sure talaga na soft na yung ating butter. And now, let's add our 1 cup of powdered sugar. So, yung butter natin is 1 cup din. So, isang bar lang ng butter siya. And then, let's mix together until it becomes smooth. So, ayan, halo lang tayo. Ayan, so medyo nagiging smooth na yung ating butter. And then, let's add half tablespoon of vanilla extract. And then, i-mix lang natin siya ulit until combine. So, amoy na amoy mo yung aroma ng ating vanilla extract combined with our butter mixture. Now, let's add our 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So, first batch muna. Ayan, huwag mo natin ilahat. So, first batch muna and then i-mix natin hanggang mag-combine siya. Ayan, para hindi natin bibiglain, para hindi naman mahirap haluin yung ating mixture. So, i-add na natin yung second batch or yung lahat na yan. And let's continue to mix. Yan, hanggang maging incorporated na yung ating dough. Ayan. Patience lang sa paghahalo kasi medyo bumibigat na yung dough, so medyo mahirap na rin siyang haluin. So, kapag okay na siya, let's add our 1 cup of powdered milk. And then, let's continue to mix hanggang yan, nag-combine na siya sa ating ingredients. So, by the way, dapat mas mauna yung ating powdered milk. So, wala naman kaso yun. Nauna ko kasi yung ating all-purpose flour. So, hindi ko nang makalimutan yung ating powdered milk. So, sinunod ko na siya. And then, okay lang. Basta i-mix nyo lang siyang maigi. Ihalo lang maigi. And then, now let's gather the dough together. And then, i-transfer na natin siya. Ayan, so okay na siya. And then, let's transfer into our prepared baking pan lined with parchment paper. And then, i-press lang natin siya. Press to flat and evenly sa ating baking pan. Spread lang natin siya evenly. So, yan. Mas okay din spread din. So, actually, kailangan na malinis ng kamay. So, ako, nagbugas naman ako ng kamay. And now, let's use the spatula to press across the entire surface towards the corner. So, para even yung ating mixture. Tinansya ko lang yung 1 inch. So, sana pumantay. Ayan. Cut across to divide. So, ayan, marami-rami din ng ating magagawang shortbread cookie. And then, let's gently press a hole to create the classic look of shortbread. So, I'm using a barbecue stick. Ayan. So, di ba alam naman natin yung mga shortbread cookie natin classic, ayan yung may mga ulit din. Ayan, lagyan lang natin siya. So, tuloy-tuloy lang hanggang matapos. Sa ating presentation. So, by the way, this recipe, nakita ko lang din siya sa YouTube. So, ayun, tinry ko siyang gawin. So, ayun, okay naman yung kinalabasan. So, for this one, yan, in-adjust ko din yung recipe. So, yung 1 cup ng aking butter. So, medyo dry kasi siya kanina yung kinalabasan. So, dinagdagan ko siya para mag-form siya, para hindi siya ganun ka-dry or maghihiwa-hiwalay, hindi mabuo yung ating cookies. So, kapag nakikita nyo naman dyan, siguro masyadong marami yung ating flour. So, ayan. Ayan, continue lang natin. Lagyan ng whole yung ating dough. So, ready na siya. And now, let's bake in a 160 degrees Celsius preheated oven for about 20 minutes. So, yun na. Niremove muna natin sa oven yung ating cookies. So, to cut again the visible lines we made earlier. So, para pagka-bake mamaya, ayan, nandun pa rin yung ating lines. So, ayan. So, yung mga visible lines, ayan, diniin na lang natin. Kasi baka mamaya pag-bake niya nawala na yung lines, mahirapan tayo maghiwa ng ating cookies. Ayan. Follow lang natin yung lines kanina. Continue lang hanggang matapos. And after this, i-return na natin siya sa oven and continue to bake for about 8 to 10 minutes. And we're done! So, let it cool down completely. So, ayan. Kitang-kita nyo naman ang ating Walker shortbread cookie. And so, ang ganda ng kanalabasan niya. So, yan. Nakakatuwa naman na first time natin i-try itong recipe. And then, ayan na perfect natin. At syempre, very presentable din siya tignan. At napaka-sarap ng amoy niya. Amoy na amoy mo yung butter sa ating cookie. So, nakakatakam talaga siyang kainin. Ayan. So, perfect na perfect. Napakadaling recipe lang. Napakadaling gawin. 4 ingredients lang. Yan. Pwede ka na makagawa ng ating Walker shortbread cookies. So, sure ako na pag tinry nyo din is na perfect nyo. Kasi napakadali lang din naman siyang gawin. So, susundan lang natin yung ating recipe. So, yan. Ready to serve na ang ating Walker shortbread cookies. Ayan, another classic shortbread cookie. And now, let's try. Of course, taste test. Ayan, kita nyo naman, diba? O, diba? Ang ganda rin ng pagkakalagay natin ng cool. Ayan. And yan. And now, let's try. One time. Talaga namang napakasarap at talagang amoy na amoy mo yung butter, ang lambot. Yan, very buttery din siya at perfect na perfect yung kanyang lasa. So, ayan. As you can see, ayan, sobrang ganda ng yung appearance niya, and then hindi rin siya ganun na matigas. So, hindi rin ganun kalambot. So, tamang-tama lang siya. Yan. Yung ating shortbread cookie. And of course, this one, perfect na perfect siya i-pair. Lalo na sa ating favorite coffee or tea. And syempre sa mga kids with their milk. Yan. So talaga namang very buttery ang ating shortbread cookie. And I'm sure ako na magugustuhan ninyo to. So everyone will love this talaga naman. Kasi hindi rin naman siya matigas. So tamang-tama lang yung kanyang labot. And of course, very presentable. So, yan guys. So, another recipe, another easy recipe for you guys to try. So, thank you so much again. And see you again on my next video. Bye!
I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up